In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Flexboxes in Wix Studio. By the end, you'll know exactly how to place a Flexbox on your page, position it cleanly, and start filling it with the right content so your layout stays neat and responsive. First, open your Wix Studio editor and head to the Add menu. This is the plus icon on the left side of your workspace. From there, choose Layout and then select Flexbox. Flexboxes are special containers designed to arrange whatever you place inside them in a tidy, flexible way. They're great for keeping items aligned and evenly spaced, and they help your design adapt more gracefully to different screen sizes. Click Flexbox, then drag it onto your canvas. As you move it around, notice how the editor gives you visual guides and snapping cues. These cues help you line things up with other elements and maintain consistent spacing. Place the Flexbox roughly where you want your content group to live. Don't worry about getting it perfect on the first try. You can always refine the position. You can drag the edges to resize the container so it fits your design, leaving enough room for the elements you plan to add. If your layout has clear columns or margins, try aligning the Flexbox with those boundaries so everything feels intentional and balanced. Now that the container is in place, it's time to add content inside it. Go back to the Add menu to bring in text, images, buttons, or any other elements you need. Drag each item directly into the Flexbox. You'll see a highlight or outline indicating that the element will be placed inside the container. That's important because elements outside won't follow the Flex behavior. Once inside, your items will align and distribute themselves more predictably, which makes refining your layout faster and more consistent. As you add items, think about visual hierarchy. For example, you might start with a heading, follow it with a short paragraph, and then add a button for a clear call to action. If you're placing images next to text, keep the sizing balanced so neither element overwhelms the other. Spacing also matters. Leave a little breathing room between items so the design feels comfortable and readable. When you're done adding content, take a moment to nudge the Flexbox into its final spot and adjust its size if needed. With your elements living inside a Flexbox, you'll find that tweaks are easier, alignment is cleaner, and your page looks more professional. That's all there is to adding Flexboxes in Wix Studio.